What is that one? Three capacitors given, C1, C2 and C3. We want to find out how they are connected. Series. We want to find out what is the potential difference between X and Y. Suppose if this potential difference is V1, if this is V2 and this is V3, then Vxy is equal to what way? V1 plus V2 plus V3. How much? This is equation 1. So we want to find out V1, V2, V3. What you know? C1, C2, C3 you know. So want to find out V1, V2, V3 means what you should know? Charge. So here charge remains. Which combination? Series. In series, charge constant or changed? Constant. Charge is equal to what? C into V is equal to what? Constant. Here V value, generally for each capacitor what is given? Not more than 50 volt. So for charge you should take least capacitance or more capacitance? Least. So here and V should not be greater than 50 volt. Means C taken as, what is that one? Minimum. C taken as minimum means C1, C2 or C3? So C1V is equal to constant. C1 how much? 20 microfarad into, what is the V? 50 volts. That is equal to what? Q. So Q is equal to what? 1000 microcoulomb. That means across each capacitor, what is the charge? 1000. We want to find out V1. V1 is equal to Q by C1. Q1 how much? 1000. By C1 how much? 20. So that is equal to what? 50 volts. Micro cancel na? There micro, here also micro. Micro cancel. So only values we may take. And V2 tell Q by C2. Q how much? 1000. By C2 how much? 40. That is equal to what? Okay. Na? Similarly V3 how much? Q by C3. So Q how much? 1000. By C3 how much? 50. That is equal to what? 20. Here check. All are equal or less than 50 volt or not? If you got anything more than 50, then not valuable. Suppose here instead of C1V, if you take C2V, then it will become what? C2? 40. 40 into 50, 2000. Here 2000 by 20 means what? 100. Automatically that capacitor will get damaged by more than 50. Similarly 2000 by 40, existence 50. This is also existence, but this will get damaged. Okay? So don't get damaged means what you should take? Minimum capacitance we should take. If you take more than the minimum, automatically that capacitor gets damaged. Okay? So like this, remember what? Not sustain more than 50 volt means to find the charge, what you should take? Minimum capacitance you should take. Minimum capacitance means what here? C1. Understood? That is very, very important. Next one. Complete that one. Next one. Try to do this one. An uncharged parallel plate capacitor and uncharged uncharged parallel plate capacitor, uncharged parallel plate capacitor has dielectric K, dielectric K, dielectric K is connected to similar parallel capacitor, is connected to similar capacitor without dielectric in parallel, without dielectric in parallel, okay. Charged to a potential V, charged to potential V, potential difference V, potential difference, then their effective capacitance becomes dash. Effective capacitance becomes dash. Find out. How many capacitors are there? Two. How they are connected? Parallel. One is what? With the dielectric. Another one what? So C1 is equal to what? K into epsilon naught A by D. C2 is equal to what? How they are connected? So Cp is equal to what? C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 means what is the common? Into what? That's all. Okay? Like this, try to practice carefully. Tomorrow we will do some more problems. When you are practicing the problems, remember carefully what? Only do the capacitors problems up to series and parallel and with dielectric. But energy stored don't do. Energy stored we discussed? No. So energy stored don't do. When you are practicing the problems which are not related to energy only practice. Okay? Thank you. Morning, what is the tiffin day in hostel? From tomorrow onwards, eat